Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Let's make our lemonade smoothie. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna add some lemon juice. I have plant-based milk here. You can use any milk of your preference. Just add a little bit of lemon juice here. I'm also gonna add some pure lemon extract. I'm gonna use a capful, maybe a capful and a half. And now I'm going to use some lemon yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. I am using lemon. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh in here. I wish you guys could smell it. And now I'm going to add some protein collagen powder. This is optional, but I love collagen because it's great for your skin, hair, and nails. So if you're someone who wants to improve that, add a little bit of collagen powder. 1 scoop to your smoothie. So we're gonna add some oatmeal, about 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. There we go. Now we're gonna add some honey. Now you can use honey, because I think lemon tastes better with honey. So we're doing lemonade. Or you can use some other type of sweetener that you like. So I have a vanilla frozen yogurt ball. So we have our ingredients here for our lemonade smoothie. So we're gonna blend it now. Lemonade smoothie. Lemon yogurt, A, C, and calcium. Lemons, C, B6, and potassium. Oatmeal, B1, manganese, biotin, and thiamine fiber. Protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc. Lemon juice, C, B6, and potassium. Lemon extract, C, and flavonoids. And honey, calcium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. Here's our lemonade smoothie. And here are a list of ingredients. Now, here's a trick. If you don't know, you want to take any citrus fruit that you have, lemon, lime, or orange, and you want to freeze it. It allows it to flow much smoothly on your microblade. Okay. Well, here's our lemonade smoothie. Yeah, I know he has a smaller glass, but Gio was kind of skeptical about this lemonade smoothie and didn't want that much. So I'm hoping I could turn him around and make him feel bad that he didn't have more like me. So our resident taste testers here, Gio, let us know, Mr. Skeptic, you were worried about it.
Well, let's see. So definitely tastes like lemonade with the zest and the lemon and everything put together. So it's pretty refreshing, I'd say. You know, after a hot summer day coming in, this would be a nice, thick, creamy, overall tasty lemonade smoothie that would hit the spot right after a workout, a run, whatever you're doing, even just out in the sun.
So let me try it. He's right. I taste definitely the honey in here, and I taste definitely the lemon as well. So if you are someone who loves orangecicles, I came up with a nice smoothie for you. You definitely want to give this a try. Orangecicle smoothie. All that vitamin C, good for you. Okay, so we're making our orangecicle smoothie. Yeah, you heard me, orangecicle. So let's have our almond milk, or you can use whichever milk that you prefer. I prefer plant-based. I'm gonna add a little bit of a capful of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. Now listen, all the ingredients and measurements will be included in this video for you. So now we have that. We're gonna add our protein powder. Any protein powder you like. I'm just using some raw organic protein powder here. And I'm gonna have some vanilla yogurt, vanilla bean yogurt. Again, you can use any yogurt you prefer to your liking. Now, please note that when you add frozen fruit, that you do lose some of your sweetness because of the ice on your fruit. So I'm going to add in 3 dates. They're unpitted.
Orange creamsicle smoothie. Orange cuties, B6, C, fiber, folate, calcium, vanilla yogurt, B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, potassium, riboflavin, protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc, almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium, vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6, and majol dates, B6, niacin, pantothenic acid, and folate.
Now we're going to blend our orange-sickle smoothie.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Look at our thick orange-sickle smoothie. Look at that. Look at how thick this is. Oh man, it looks super fun.
Over 40% of the world is facing acute levels of hunger.
Okay, so we have our orange-sickle here smoothie, and we have our wonderful resident taste tester Gio, who's gonna let us know how creamy and delicious this orange-sickle is.
Well, let's see.
Okay, Mr. Always let's see.
Well, tastes pretty much like an orange-sickle. You know, with all the blended cuties, tangerines, whatever you call them. They all came together well. There's some of the seeded texture in it from them. But overall, just the orange flavor makes for a real nice flavor. And with the cream, comes all together.
Well, I love how thick this is.
Yes.
And
especially.
so that means on a hot summer day, you're definitely going to cool down and get refreshed. And have a little dose of healthiness too. Well, he's right. If you are someone who loves orange, and you love orange-sickle, this is your thing here. This is definitely something that you want to try. Let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. And Gio and I will see you in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you. Mwah.